Okie doke. Let's see. I'll tack it there. I'll come from top and I'll bridge it across. Hold that side and it'll come through the top here and tack it on in there. And I'll probably get a tack. Small weld there and some across here to keep it from moving. That's the main thing. And then I'll spot weld all the way across with the MIG. Let's see how the Hobart, rebuilt Hobart works out. First time I've used it, I'm gonna try it on 16 gauge, 68 volts. We'll see how this 35 wire does. Maybe not enough voltage for that size wire, but I'll have to see which voltages actually work on the transformer. Let me get the thing set up. Try that again. Something's going on with the wire feeder. Hold on. Well, I've only got 68 volts to work with. For some reason, the other two voltage selections do not work. So let's slow the wire speed down and see if I can make it stick. All it's doing is bouncing off and landing on the freaking plate. And I cleaned that, why won't you freaking stick to it? Just don't want to freaking weld to it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Not enough voltage. Well, break out the flux core. It's gonna make a mess. Here we go. Let's try the flux. Not a good ground. Nope. I like the wires bound up. Alright, after much fighting, I finally got some pretty ugly looking welds there to hold it. I got 4 across there, now I've got to come. I'm gonna probably, it's gonna be hard for me to get right there with that particular welding gun, so I don't think I'm gonna put any on the back unless I can get to it from inside. I can't, so I'm just gonna tack it along here. I mean, if I get that caught right there and then I tack this down onto it, it ain't gonna move. most of the force is going to be pushed against it. So then I get to cut that hole out. Well, it's ugly, but it is filled and should be strong. I'm not sure how I'm going to tack all that through. There's a big gap in there, so I may cut it out. I'll just pop that out. I don't know. And this light is right in the way. Oops. Oh, come on now. Which way did it turn? I don't think that's going to reach. I'll have to stretch this side. This doesn't want to cooperate. That's where it needs to be welded down right there. Am I going to be able to tack that down though? Hold that like that. One way to find out. No. Nope. Stuck on the end. Let's see what we've got so far. Big mess. What it is. Let's make a bigger mess. Can't see very well right there. Big flux keeps sticking in there. air out and cool, and then clean it up. Well, I'll tell you what, it ain't going anywhere. I'm still going to put a couple of tacks right here to make sure this side is secured to the brace, which is already spot welded down here on the side of the tower. This side is good. I'm going to put a little more weld down in there to connect it here around where the shock opening is. I'm debating whether or not I should drill through here and just weld down through it. You know what, I am going to do that. I'm going to drill a hole here and a hole here through that, and then I'll connect the plate, which is right at this edge. I'll tie into that, let it cool, pull it up, pull it all the way up top here, and then attach it together. That way it will be secured from all the way across here, spots on the sides, and then we'll have a good connection point here on the back for the bushing and the stress from the top. The bottom's fine. It's going to be the top wanting to pull up and down. It'll be both ways actually. So looks good. It's finally cleared out a little bit. Put a little bit more down the back side there. It's not wanting to penetrate. That is definitely going to have to get addressed. Let it air out. I'll grab the drill. Alright, well, small issue. The plate actually stops right about here. I can tie into it right there, but I'm going to have to try and build it a little bit at a time and then close this in, which means that sucks, but I'm still going to stitch across there. Can't really get the drill right there. But I think with the tack, this build up to here and then what I've got right here should be enough. to support that plate. Alright, let's start it on high. Get a bead built up down there right on the plate. Alright, now let's go to the other side and stitch that up. I wonder, yeah, I can't get the torch back there. I wonder if I could come from this side and kind of poke that around. I'll probably build that side up though. See if I can't build a weld ring right where that hole is so I could drill through it. That'll give it extra support too. Let it cool. Now I just got to make a hole. Alright, I got the hole drilled. Now we just need to clean that up a little bit. I've got this Makita file sander. This is going to be fun to get to. Time to change belts. Got a little bit further to go on it. Let's see. Not much belt left on, not much grit left on this, and I need to change my position. This is killing my back. if I got enough belts. Ooh, that thing's hot. Time for another one. It is almost there though. Whoops. I think I may grind that just a little bit further, and I'll knock this down right there a little bit. That'll work. Right, clean it up, throw some paint on it. That's silver engine enamel with ceramic. Let that cure. Next step's to put the skin back on underneath it to close it all up from outside.